Since you already have an idea regarding email strategy and planning, today we'll delve with the step-by-step process of prosperous email marketing. First, in order to run a prosperous email marketing operation, you need to have a genuine database. A database is a vital collection of subscribers permitting marketing emails. Keep your database targeted to your audience and potential customers. Only request essential information. Avoid the temptation to ask for more. Gathering details, as mentioned above, enables tailored marketing messages for enhanced personalization. Lead magnets like ebooks or video tutorials entice prospects for their emails. Place sign-up forms strategically on blogs, social media, mobile sites, and offline channels like flyers or in-store displays. Growing database is not a one-off thing. You need to strategize how to keep it growing and growing every single day. Ideally, you would want to keep growing your email list every day. So you should set goals and milestones for your company's email marketing tactics. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.